Welcome to the Lava Gel Oven, powered by a revolutionary new product that's changing the face of hot food preparation. We proudly present Lava Gel. Lava Gel is our patented combination of some of the most prolific minerals harvested from the earth and ocean. When Lava Gel is activated by water, a mineral reaction occurs that gives off enough heat for you to enjoy a hot meal in 10 minutes or less anywhere you go, with no flames, no electricity, and no hassle. The Lava Gel Oven is a self-contained, all-inclusive unit. You can use a wide variety of canned, freeze-dried, or home-cooked food, and is as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. In 7 to 10 minutes, this food will be piping hot. The Lava Gel Oven is not only great for road trips and long-haul truckers, but it's the perfect companion for almost any outdoor activity. The Lava Gel Oven gives you hot food hassle-free, with no pots, pans, heavy gas tanks, or other cooking utensils. No need to learn bushcraft or build a fire. Our Flameless Lava Gel poses no threat to the environment. Plus, its long shelf life makes it a must-have for disaster kits, prepping, or your everyday carry. So whether it's canned spaghetti and meatballs, leftover Chinese, or good old mac and cheese, for hot food, heated fast, and hassle-free, try the Lava Gel Oven today. The brand new Lava Gel Oven is one of the many products that is powered by Lava Gel.